Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video you are about to watch, go ahead and hit that like button, maybe even share with a friend. Both those really do help out the channel. So today's product I want to share with you is by a company called NPET. I've been doing a couple of videos lately about kind of safety and what should be in your emergency kit. And they have a great little itty bitty puck that is perfect for taking camping or throwing in that emergency kit. It has a long battery life and solar panel and everything. So let's go over everything you're going to get when you open it up. First off, this is the little box it comes in. Pretty straightforward. You're going to get a little instruction manual. You're going to get a little D-clip here. And then you're going to get a short little USB Type-C charging cable. And then you're going to get the device itself. So why do I think this is pretty cool? It's nice and compact. Depending on what brightness mode you have, it can last anywhere from 4 hours to about 32 hours. It's all waterproof and watertight, which is kind of important. And then it has this nice solar panel on it. So if you've lost power, you can put this outside. It charges. All solar panels work better with direct sunlight, not coming through a window. So be sure to keep that in mind. But so you can use it to charge up the light. So you have a light source at night. But it also allows you to, through this little door here, you can also hook up a phone to it or another device, such as another flashlight, and you can charge that device via the solar panel. And then, so that's the USB out right there, and then right there is the USB Type-C in. My only complaint on this is it's a little tight getting this in there. I mean, they made it like perfect, so you kind of have to push it in a little bit harder than normal, but other than that, that's not really a big deal. But that's kind of the only thing I've come to sit there and don't care for. Got a nice little rubber door here that keeps it watertight. And then you have this, which you can, of course, then hang. So perfect if you're camping. You can hang it up in your tent, or you can even set it just like a little puck. So go over the light modes. When you plug it in, this will glow red until it's fully charged. Then it'll grow green. So one side's red, one side's green. So we'll turn it on. As you can see, very bright light. You got the white light mode. Press it again and you go to more of a yellow light mode. And then if you're in an emergency or you're needing help or something like that, or you're on the side of the road and you're changing a tire, it's got this blinking light, which will just draw attention. And then it's got this really yellow mode. So this is the one that will last the longest if you're out and about, or you're trying to really get this light to the battery to go the longest. You want to put it on this mode. It's also great for if you're camping or if you're sitting out on the patio, because the yellow will be less likely to attract bugs. So that's kind of it. I mean, it's a very nice, versatile device. Press it one more time and it shuts off. It's pretty affordable. I'll include a link in the description that'll take you to Amazon if you want to check it out for yourself. Feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond if you got any questions, but it's a great little device that I highly recommend if you're a camper or just to keep in your emergency kit. It's nice to have these little devices that can charge via the sun, and you're not tethered to a outlet or USB in your car or something like that. So that is it. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.